Hello friends, welcome to Me&Max. Today's video is about choosing the best pet bird for yourself according to your lifestyle and behavior. If you are eager to bring a pet bird home, you must be wondering which bird should you choose and how to care for it. In this video, we have selected 4 common and popular pet birds. Let's look at their personality behavior in detail. Lovebird. Lovebirds or African lovebirds are quite hardy birds as long as we take good care of them. They are a step up from cockatiels and budgies, but easier to handle than the bigger parrots. Lovebirds do not need to be kept in pairs. A single bird will need to spend plenty of time with her human flock. Lovebirds may not be as loud as big parrots, but are louder than budgies and finches. Lovebirds are very active and need to be engaged in some activity, but they also need some quiet time for themselves. If you are interested in bringing a pet bird and would like to bond with it, and you have plenty of time to spend with it, then you can choose a lovebird as a pet bird. They are active birds and would love to be amused. The bird has a screech voice and chirps loudly, so I may not recommend it if you live in an apartment. Budgie. Budgerigars or budgies are delightful birds that make great pets. In fact, they are the third most kept pets after dogs and cats. This Australian bird will even try to copy your words over time. Budgies are more active than lovebirds and need to be constantly engaged in some activity. They love to interact with humans as well as other birds. Budgies chirp beautifully and enlighten your day. If you are interested in getting a budgie, then you must spend a lot of time with it, especially if you bring a single bird. Budgies are playful and curious birds. They also love to play with toys such as ladders, bells, balls, etc. Place a swing in the cage as well. Overall, budgies make great pets and are also easy to maintain. They are also apartment friendly. Cockatiel. Cockatiels are one of the smallest birds in the parrot family. Cockatiels are social pets who will mimic your voice and happily ride around on your finger or shoulder. Cockatiels require daily care and attention and can be noisy and messy pets. With proper care, they can live for more than 20 years. You can also find tamed cockatiels at pet stores. Cockatiels love to whistle and fly around the house. If you are interested in a cockatiel, then you must spend plenty of time and bond with the bird. Remember, the bird needs a flight cage with good amount of space. Though cockatiels are not extremely noisy, they will be vocal in the morning and evening. If you are a neat freak or hate being woken up early in the morning, a cockatiel might not be right for you. Cockatiels can live up to 20 years. So consider your dedication before purchasing. Zebra finches. Zebra finches are delightful birds and are fairly easy to breed. Zebra finches are social birds and love to live in a community. Zebra finches do not need much of your attention unless all their needs are taken care of. They have low voice and are not very noisy, but they can be a bit messy. Zebra finches are more than happy if you provide them food, fresh water, and regular access to bathing and grooming. They are not very active and love to be in their own privacy. Rarely zebra finches would like to be hand-tamed. If you want to have zebra finches at pet birds, Then you don't have to give them a lot of attention. Interacting with them a few times a day is enough. Place a pair or 2 pairs of zebra finches in a cage, and they are good to go. These birds are apartment friendly. If you are a very busy person and cannot spend much time with a pet, then zebra finches are the best option. Zebra finches can live up to 3 to 5 years. Well, I hope this video was informative. Now you can easily choose a pet bird that suits your lifestyle. That's all for today. See you in our next video. Bye bye.